Aren't you tired of not having a clear plan of where you're going financially? Hell, let's be honest, where you're going in life, period. Believe me, I can relate. I'm Shawn King, and here at Legacy Life, we specialize in one thing, the legacy lifestyle process. This isn't just about making money. It's about a lifestyle. It's about creating a system that gives you freedom, control, and guaranteed generational wealth. In this video, I'm going to walk you through our 4-step process that helps our clients go from stressed and stuck to confident and in control of the financial future that they want and the lifestyle that they deserve. If you feel like having more clarity and an actual plan to help you get to where you want to go would be beneficial in some way, do me a favor, drop a comment below, and please don't forget to subscribe. I focus on putting out new content every week to help you guys achieve just that. So, what are the 4 steps that we put our clients through? Well, let's get into them. Step 1, cash flow recovery. You see, most people have more money than they realize. It's just not being used efficiently. That's why the first step is all about recovering that cash. We sit down and we break down your entire financial picture. We review your monthly budget, your current debts, your investments. We'll even discuss if there's a need for a tax professional to step in to help you put some of that cash back in your pocket that you're paying out to Uncle Sam every year. But most importantly, we'll discuss your freedom number. That's the number that you need to walk away from doing what you don't want to do so you can begin to do all the things that you actually do want to do. I know, sounds pretty good. Now, once we uncover the inefficient dollars like overpaying on those taxes, those underperforming investments, or the excessive interest that you pay, we'll help you recapture and reallocate those funds so you can start building some momentum. Listen, you don't need more income, you need a better plan. Which leads me into step 2, building your family banking system. This is where things start to get fun. We help you build a personalized banking system using properly structured whole life insurance. I know, it's crazy. You're not just warehousing your wealth, you're making sure every dollar that flows through your life is captured and continues compounding for you for the rest of your life. I know, pretty exciting. This gives you both liquidity and control. Your money is accessible to use for all sorts of things, like buying cars, traveling the world. Y'all know I love traveling the world with my family, paying off debt, investing in real estate, or just covering those big expenses that always seem to happen in life without interrupting the growth. The list of things that you can do here is literally infinite. You become the bank, you control the money, you decide the outcome. That's step 2. All right, guys, quick pause before we dive back in. If you're getting some value from this video, go ahead, do me a favor, hit that like button, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future content, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or questions. It actually helps the algorithm, but more importantly, it helps my videos pop up in your feed so you can continue learning how to take back control of your money. All right, let's get back into it. Step 3, the income multiplier. Step 3 is where we get to begin to put your money to work and begin to multiply your income. You'll learn about all sorts of smart, safe places to grow your wealth using the liquidity within your banking system. I'm talking about things like private lending, real estate, business investments, or fixed income products. The list goes on and on. But here's the key difference, you guys. You're not investing blindly. You're investing from a place of strength and strategy. Plus, at this point, we'll introduce you to our network of proactive tax experts who make sure that you're legally minimizing taxes and maximizing your investment power. Because every single dollar that you don't send to the IRS is a dollar that you can put to work. You see, the goal isn't, let's go chase risky returns. The goal is longevity. The goal is stability and working towards achieving your passive freedom number. Last but not least, step number 4, legacy protection. This one's huge, you guys. Now that you've actually built something powerful, it's time to implement the necessary tools to make that thing last. That's where legacy protection comes in. This means, number 1, setting up a family trust. This is huge. We want to build out a long-term plan that outlines your values and your financial goals. And 2, we want to implement asset-based long-term care, especially if you're 35 years or older. Did you guys know that there's a 70% chance that you'll need long-term care if you're single? And if you're married, there's a 91% chance that one of the two of you will need it. And boy, let me tell you, that stuff ain't cheap. You see, the wealthy don't leave these things to chance. They protect their assets early so they can use OPM, other people's money, instead of their own when those bills arise. You see, a true legacy is built intentionally, not accidentally. To wrap this all up, you guys, the legacy lifestyle process isn't just a product, it's a philosophy. It's about control, about clarity, and about cash flow. It's about teaching you how to use your money, protect your family, and actually live the lifestyle that you want, all while being able to leave a legacy that you can be proud of. There is no one-size-fits-all solution. We partner with you to build a system that supports the life that you actually want to live. If this resonates with you in any way, let's chat. Book your free consultation by clicking the link in the description below, and I'll personally sit down with you and walk you through where you are, where you want to be, and exactly how we're going to help get you there. As always, guys, the information is free, but the knowledge is priceless. I'm Shawn King, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.